Hi everybody, I'm Stephanie Nelson from Razzle Dazzle Rabbitry Yarns. Today we have a fast video on how to wash your hand spun yarn after you have spun it and plied it. So what we did is we wiped out our sink first and we put our drain in, and we are going to fill it with warm water. We're going to add a little bit of soap. Don't worry if the soap that you use doesn't completely break down when you put your yarn in there. We will be able to mix it around. We have 2 skeins of hand spun yarn. We're going to set it in here. We just press it down. This yarn is 66% Romney and 34% German angora. So what we're going to do after the whole thing is wet, we just let it soak. And we're going to let it soak for probably about 15 to 20 minutes, so we'll check back when this is done soaking. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes. We just simply take our yarn out, let the water out. You'll notice the water is a bit, it's a bit cloudy looking. Even though we washed the Romney beforehand, there is still a bit of lanolin that comes off, and with the angora there's a bit of dander that comes off. Now we're just going to rinse off our yarn and let it soak. So we use our hot water. Place our skeins back in. Just press them down. And you'll notice the water is still cloudy. So we're going to rinse this off a couple times. So you'll notice when I'm grabbing the skeins, I'm using 2 parts where I have tied completely around the skein. This is not a figure 8 knot. I find this, for my own preference, is easier for when I'm washing off the skeins. You'll notice I'm not twisting the yarn when I let the excess water out. Probably get my arm out of the way. I'm squeezing it to get the excess water out. Put our stopper in. We're going to let it soak just a little bit more. Alright, this time our water is quite clear. Squeeze out our skeins with the water. This is our final rinse. Our skeins are nice and washed. We've been handling them where the knots are, so you'll notice they do not get tangled. What we're going to do is simply take these, and we're going to use just plastic hangers. You can use wood hangers. If you use wire hangers, be careful of rust. If you use wood hangers, make sure that there's no staining that'll happen to your yarn. We're just going to hang these in our bathtub, and when we come back, it's just dried yarn. So that's how we wash our yarn. The soaps that we use, we do use quite a bit of different soaps. The soaps that we used today were Burt's Bees. So if you found this video helpful, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button with the little bell. That way you always get notified when we have additional videos coming up. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.